Happy morning, dear children. I hope you all are taking good care of your health. Dear children, today we are going to learn about something very special. It is common, yet it is very important. It is a life skill, and we will learn it and we will practice it together. We will learn about speaking skills. Now, you might be thinking, ma'am, we speak regularly, but dear children, we should know what to speak, when to speak, how to speak, okay? And it needs a refined skill. We need to practice that how to be a good speaker. It must be that if someone is speaking with you, he or she must think that, oh wow, what a nice person. The way he or she is speaking is so impressive. Dear children, you should always make others happy with your words and you should be a very good speaker. It will make you a better version of yourself. Okay? So today we will be learning about speaking skills. Fine? Let us see. Why speaking skills are important? Dear children, when we speak regularly, हमारा जो वो tone होता है that is different, and when we are addressing to an audience, the way of speaking will be different, right? Both the scenarios are very different. And you need to be a good speaker so that you can create a good impression towards your audience. They must think that you are very strong, you are very confident, and you have to convey your message efficiently. That's why it is very important to be a good speaker. Okay? So today we will learn about why speaking skills are important. Speaking skills. Why do we need speaking skills? We need speaking skills that give us the ability to communicate effectively. Dear children, what is communication? Communication is to exchange our thoughts, our ideas to others, right? It is a way of expressing oneself. So we need speaking skills for a good communication. If we are good at what we speak, we will be very communicative and we will be very efficient towards conveying that what we want to say. These skills allow the speaker to convey his message in a passionate, thoughtful and convincing manner. Dear children, हम जब बात करते हैं तभी हमें अपने थॉट्स को लेकर, अपने आइडियाज़ को लेकर इतना पैशनेट होना चाहिए कि लोग हमसे कन्विंस हो जाएं, हमारा जो मैसेज है वो उन तक पहुंच जाए. दिस मस्ट बी अ गोल ऑफ आवर स्पीकिंग स्किल्स. Whatever we want to convey must be very crystal clear in front of the listeners. Okay, so it is very important that our message goes clear and people, those who are listening, they don't have any doubts to what we are speaking. Okay, now we will go through some tips which will make us an efficient speaker. So tips for effective speech. What things do we need to improvise while we speak? Let us see the first one, eye contact. Dear children, when we are communicating with the audience, when we are conveying our thoughts to them, we need to make an eye contact with each and every person in the audience. If you are looking around or you are watching the ceiling and you are speaking, the audience will not listen to you. They will feel like that this person who is speaking is not interested for the listeners. Okay, उन्हें यही लगेगा कि वो आपको बस ऐसे ही आप आकर आप बोल रहे हो, ठीक है. सो यू नीड टू मेक एन आई कॉन्टैक्ट विथ ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन इन द ऑडियंस. As and when you start, make eye contact with each and everyone. Now while speaking, I am looking at you ताकि आप मुझे effectively सुन पाएं. So it is very important to maintain an eye contact with your audience while you are speaking. Okay? Next we have audibility and fluency. Dear children, audibility means if the listeners are able to listen to you clearly. अगर आपकी आवाज़ बहुत स्लो होगी या आप ज़ोर से नहीं बोल रहे हो या आप अच्छे से कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हो एंड आपकी आवाज़ आपके लिसनर्स तक नहीं पहुंच पा रही, आप जो कन्वे करना चाहते हो you won't be able to convey that message, right? So you must be audible enough for your listeners to listen to you clearly. Your voice must be very clear and you should be very fluent to what you want to say. You must not mumble. आपको हिचकिचाना नहीं है बोलते टाइम. You have to be very fluent. So it needs a quick thought process. हमें सोचते सोचते बोलना होता है while we speak, right? So हमें प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए. We should learn vocabularies for that. हमें डेली यूज़ अपने vocabularies को इम्प्रोवाइज करने में लगाना चाहिए. So our second point is to be audible and to be fluent enough for the listeners to make them convinced of what we are trying to convey. Fine. Our next point, which is equally important, is facial expression and head movements. See over here, there are various expressions, right? Some expressions are happy, some expressions are surprised, amused, angry, and some are sad. Dear children, it is very important जो हम कन्वे कर रहे हैं वो हमारे फेस पर भी दिखे. ओके, अगर हम कुछ गुड न्यूज़ रख रहे हैं अपनी ऑडियंस के सामने, वी शुड बी वेरी हैप्पी. अगर हम अपसेट होकर गुड न्यूज़ बताएंगे तो विल इट क्रिएट एन इफेक्ट ऑन द ऑडियंस? नो. सो योर फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस आर वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. ओके, हम जो कन्वे कर रहे हैं वो हमारे फेस पर दिखना चाहिए, तब हमारे स्पीच का इफेक्ट ऑडियंस की तरफ और भी अच्छा होता है. ओके, द सेकेंड पॉइंट ओवर हियर इज आवर हेड मूवमेंट्स. हमारे हेड मूवमेंट्स भी कंट्रोल में होने चाहिए. हम रोबोट की तरह ऐसे हेड स्ट्रेट करके बात करेंगे तो व्हाट विल हैपन? विल द ऑडियंस बी इंटरेस्टेड इन लिसनिंग टू यू? नो. सो योर हेड मूवमेंट्स, योर फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस, your audibility, your fluency, they should be in a line. हमें हमारे सारे steps को coordinate करना है. Okay? See, while speaking, I am smiling, I am making various facial expression, my head is moving, right? So हमें इन सब चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना है ताकि listeners हमें ध्यान से सुने. Okay? I hope you all are clear with these points. Now let's move further. We need some additional qualities such as confidence. Dear children, अगर आप स्टेज पर हो in front of your audience and आप घबरा जाओ या आपको क्राउड को देखकर डर लगे, what will happen? आप बोल नहीं पाओगे, right dear children? So what you need to do first, as in when you face the audience, you should think that they all are your friends and वो सब आपको सुनने के लिए यहाँ पे बैठे हैं. So you should feel happy that here are the people who are willing to listen to you, है ना? And they are your friends. आपको ये नहीं सोचना है कि क्राउड में कोई मुझे पहचानता नहीं है या फिर मैं किसी को नहीं पहचानता. यू शुड ऑलवेज थिंक दैट द लिसनर्स आर माई फ्रेंड्स एंड दे विल लिसन टू मी एंड दे विल एग्री टू व्हाट आई वांट टू से. ओके, दिस विल क्रिएट कॉन्फिडेंस इन you and you will be a very good speaker if you are confident. Okay. Our next point is hand gestures. Dear children, अगर हम attention में खड़े होके बात करें, will it create an efficient effect on the listeners? No. हमारे body movements, हमारे hand gestures ये भी बहुत important role play करते हैं, right? हम जो convey करना चाहते हैं वो हमारी body में और हमारे hand gestures में दिखना चाहिए. Like if I want to say power, I will be doing like that, power, right? And if I am telling about some points, I will be pointing out 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So your hand gestures must also coordinate while you are speaking. You should be a little conscious that हमारे hand movements ज़्यादा नहीं हो या कम नहीं हो. Okay dear children, जो भी हम convey करना चाहते हैं, हमारे facial expressions, हमारी fluency, हमारे head movements, हमारे gestures, हमारी body language, सब इन चीज़ों पर effect करते हैं. Okay? So coordinate all these things and make a milkshake of all these skills and drink it, and you will be a very good speaker now and in future. But all you have to do is, at the end, you need to speak with your heart and the world will listen to you. हम जो भी बोलते हैं, हम सोचकर ज़रूर बोलते हैं, but we have to and we need to speak with our hearts. हम जो convey करना चाहते हैं, हमें दिल से convey करना चाहिए, with a smile on our faces, and the world will listen to us. They will surely listen to us. Okay, so always speak with your heart. दिल से बोलो. Last but not the least, good practice makes a man perfect. अगर हम इन सारी skills को practice करें, हमें मिरर के सामने भी कभी कभी अकेले बात करनी चाहिए. It will make us realize that what is our body language, what are our facial expressions. So you should always practice with yourself or in front of your parents or in front of your friends. This will make you a good speaker one day. Dear children, I hope you all are very clear with all these points. I will see you in some practice sessions as well. So from now, from this minute itself, start practicing and you will be a good speaker. Okay? Bye. God bless you.